So my heart is just keep looking something that how I can get back to the community. And finally, through that process, I found something that I have a purpose in life.
That's a good place to move to our next topic. And let's talk about purpose. A purpose in life, as you said. But talk to me about purpose from a general perspective, not necessarily your specific purpose, but how do you define purpose in a broad way?
Okay. Wow. Purpose in a broad way. Okay. So, okay, first of all, what I can say is God give us a life to flourish. To flourish. Our real purpose is to evolve. Okay. During our lifetime, because that is the consistent with our evolutionary purpose. Okay. That's, to define the answer of that purpose is we are here so that we can continue to live, adapt, learn, and grow, and to find the meaning of your life. And that is the purpose for me. And that is where I found the meaning of my life. Okay. So I believe that is my, the reason, why I am here. Because the purpose is just like a higher calling, right? That you never know. Because we have a gift from God. And sometimes this already instilled to us. And we just don't know if because of that you keep looking for something, right? That you follow what is in your heart, you will find out that why you are exist, that you can make difference to other people, right? So I believe that would me the meaning of the purpose in a broad sense of meaning. Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Laxley.
It is why we're here, our reason for being.
Yes.
What I'm hearing you're saying. And given that is our reason for being, then I can assume that you would believe that it is important for you to understand your purpose. Is that correct?
Yes, you have to.
So let's talk about your specific purpose. Would you mind sharing that with me? What is your purpose?
Well, yes, the purpose that, myself, right? So when I found out my purpose, I see that, as I mentioned, that I can do more, than myself. I have a reason to get up every day. Because number one, right? The purpose is I'm looking up to my children, right? That they are the purpose why I'm still living, fighting every day. And I have a purpose with them as well, that they become successful in the future as well. Nurture them with the right direction. Okay. So what I am doing now, being a business owner, an accountant, own a tax practice, it's not just like giving a service to my client, right? I am doing this business in the accounting since 2005. And through the process, especially on the taxes, most of my clients, they make good money, but I see them, they don't even save for their future. They make good, they spend more. Now, through the process, I see the problem and how I can be able to help them, right, in my own way. Because when I give them to other person who will handle that area, when they come back to me a year after, it's the same thing, right? So that is where I enhance myself that, wait a minute, why not limit myself? Okay, why I'm not doing it? Instead of saying to them, why not take action to it? So it gives me more direction of my career, that I have to learn deep and deep so I can give them more information, and not just giving them information, help them take an action to that information. And that is the reflection of where the purpose is now alive. Is now alive because of helping them, because as I mentioned, we have a dream, we have a goal. But if we will just keep dreaming and have a goal but without action, nothing will happen in our life, right? So that is where the connection, the reality of the purpose that I have, through helping them, informing them, and then help them, guide them, and take action to it.
Turning words into actions and actions into results. Absolutely.